Ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a better day than that person who just got pulled over. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted in a minute. It's been about 2 weeks, but that's because we're going through a lot of changes right now. Going through a lot of kind of new things at the moment, but in a good way. And I figured, why not just show you guys what we're going through? A little day in the life, if you will. We just moved into a new shop for tint vinyl PPF. More on that later, though. We're heading into a little work day, early morning work day. We're gonna show up at 8 a.m. We got to chauffeur a client to the airport. Going the extra mile for our clients, you know what I'm saying? I'm repping right now. I got the hat on, I got the shirt on. M22 Detailing is my new kind of job here. Shop manager, I guess. Mostly in charge of like sales, operation, client relations, talking on the phone all day, scheduling, booking, things of that nature. So it's pretty labor intensive, but it's what I love. So, and I'm living here on the beautiful water. This is my view every single morning, so definitely cannot complain at all. Without further ado, ladies and gents, if you like this kind of content, want to see more like it on the channel, hit subscribe if you're not already. Hit the like button for that algorithm, and I'll meet you at the shop. All right, we've arrived, and it's time to start the day. Got a couple quick scheduling things I need to wrap up this morning, and then I think it's time for an official shop tour. But before we do that, we gotta check out the lineup. I don't know where they're taking the SLS AMG, but GT3 Touring, always a treat to see this one. The A6. B9 S5, and then of course yours truly in the B8.5. I did not park this car, that was Logan's doing, so parking lines are suggestions here. S5 needs a wash. Look how dusty and nasty this is. Ugh. Oh shoot, we got cars and coffee tomorrow. I do have to wash this. Gotta stay late, get this done. This is a fun little thing we did with PPF. We scratched the crap out of the side of the wire brush. Left it out in the sun for 2 hours and it self-healed. So that's pretty cool. Well, Evan decided to park like that, but that doesn't concern us. This is the new shop. This is for tint, vinyl, PPF, and things of that nature. So quick walk around. We did just move in here like last week, so a few things are gonna change. This is gonna be up on the wall. We're getting some hex lights up here. Huge, huge upgrades coming. So this is the shop we try to keep as clean as possible. This is also the host shop for my office. I'll show you guys exactly what that is. We got a little display with a sweet GT3 RS right there. This is my office. We've got some artwork hanging up, some F1 posters, well, Monaco circuit art, pretty sweet. Again, work in progress. So these chairs are actually pretty big for this room. I think we're gonna have to switch things up. Probably get this TV somewhere on this wall, but there's no outlet, so kind of working things out. I handle a lot of the booking and like billing and stuff, so I've got all the necessary amenities. Tools and whatnot are going in here. And then this bathroom, make sure nobody's in here. Pretty neat bathroom. I'd say top tier for a shop bathroom, but the big thing is this new space. And you guys probably already saw the staircase, but let's take a little gander up here and see what we got. Essentially a blank slate, which is really nice. We've already got kind of like a dining room, lunch area up here, but this is all pressed OSB, ton of potential. So I think what we're gonna do here in the future is put laminate vinyl plank flooring down, get this place looking proper, maybe move those lounge chairs up here because there's more space. And then I don't like this railing how it is, so I think we might do some sort of either like metal or clear, maybe glass if we're ballin', but I want to be able to see what's going on in the shop from up here if I'm ever chilling. Evan as well. We got Evan in the shop today. Parking not very good, but hey, when you own the shop, you can park how you want. Ugh. I do want to put my car somewhere inside because I need to wash it before tomorrow. We got the old girl in the shop cooling down the paint because we got to wash it later. But you guys are probably familiar with this shop. Done a ton of stuff in here before. Got a cool SLS AMG in, but the biggest thing is that new shop. Super pumped about it. So much potential with the clean slate there. Might have a really cool car joining us. Can't tell you what it is quite yet, but we'll see. We are on the clock, baby. Look at this beautiful thing. GT3 Touring. We took this to a Cars and Coffee last year. and it's making another appearance on the channel because it is so beautiful. Look at this chalk color. Woo, baby. What in the world was that noise? Jesus Christ. Tomorrow's gonna be productive. We have an early Cars and Coffee in the morning starting at 7 a.m. What's up, dude? What's up? Good morning. Well, this is cool. When are we crab walking it?
Did you guys see this car down at the muffler shop yesterday?
No, I came from Brotherwood.
He didn't get it.
He hasn't had his coffee yet. Cut us some slack.
He's like, I don't think so. Wow, inside the Hummer EV. Everything's so boxy and square, but it's super cool. It's got like this white textured interior. I must say, I am a fan. 1,000 horsepower EV, 11,500 foot-pounds of torque. Carson, just plaster that on the side, would you?
Yeah, let me get a speaker.
Thank you. We got all the generations of Corvette in this line, including the E90 Corvette, which is a rare spec. Not a lot of people know about the E90 Corvette, but there's one at this show today.
Isaac, what do you think?
Oh yeah, I did like that little touch. I didn't see that.
How neat.
Drop that
of course.
down. Push that down.
There we go. All right, backseat test. I'm a 6'1" individual. I got like 5 inches of headroom back here. This is pretty nice, spacious. Carson's grinding fingerprints all over the touchscreen. 26% charge. Uh-oh.
Man.
Maybe we should stop using all the auxiliary power.
Oh, it's fine.
It's gonna die. Yo, 2 Ferraris parked next to each other? What are the odds of that? Ferrari or Lambo? I think the Lambo's a little cooler. This blue Lambo versus the gray Ferrari. Look at that. Nice. Oh my goodness. We are fully extended. And we got everybody in the car.
It does.
Do a wheelie! Crab walk, crab walk.
You hold this down for 3 seconds. The indicator pops up on the screen.
Oh yeah, it's got a little crab on it.
There's a little crab. You let go, and it like tries to. Oh shit.
Rear wheel steering, crab walk. All right, crab walk this thing. Crab walk this ma. Oh, we're crab walking! We're crab walking! Hit E-Bob's car. We're crab walking! We have crabs! Crab walking backwards. Look at the rear wheel steering. You're good behind you. Now just go side to side.
Yo, you just go side to side.
Yeah, yeah. Crab walking. That's awesome.
Look at it like that.
The ultimate flex. Just side swipe 7 Corvettes. Actually ended up being a very busy day in the shop today, but it's all right. Busy's good. Busy's not the worst thing in the world. Wanted to show y'all kind of a day in the life. New job, new crib. I have bad allergies. I sound like a goofball, but that's gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna watch this beautiful sunset, take the rest of the night off. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, like the video, subscribe. Adios, my friends.